Oh, Jesus. Marta, you are not in control of everything. Kids are going to come back and eat hay. I just dropped a piece here. Gave some to Jitterbug and her girls. And Jitterbug just needs to make sure that they get a chance to eat some too. But I'm watching. The little girls eat. Miss Skeeter and Miss Petal. They're very interested. They see the other little goats eating and they want to eat too. Oh. Jerry, you don't have to be mean. Hi. Miss Kelly had to come say hi. You see Miss Kelly's got blue eyes. Yes, she's a blue-eyed girl. She's a sweet little blue-eyed girl. So we have blizzard today. Didn't have much snow right in this area. I guess it was a lot worse west of here. Well, Ma, you're mostly fighting with the fence at that point. She's trying to fight Jitterbug through the fence, and the 2x6 is getting all the abuse, and not much happened to Jitterbug. I did get little Miss Zoe back in here. She decided that the other girls were just too mean for her. But I think everybody's looking good. They all got pretty glossy coats. Lucy never gets a glossy coat, but Marta does, and Mirabelle does. Mirabelle is just a big girl. Yeah. Hi. How are you doing, that little girl? How are you? Somebody crawling on my leg wanting to say hi. You can see how glossy her coat is. She is just a beautiful little coat. I think this is the first time I've gotten kids from her that have survived. Pebbles and Mercy, Mr. Peaches. His sister's doing real well. Oh, funny how a bunch of grass and these guys just go crazy. They want to eat it all. What are you doing? Oh no, there's Jessica. She comes in. She doesn't stand still for very long. She is the most mobile, always on the move little goat. So like I was saying, it's supposed to be, we had blizzard today, negligible snow in this area. Less than a half inch, probably like 5/10, if that. I'm sorry, that is a habit. I meant more, like 2/10. But the wind was blowing really hard. We had winds that were reported 25 to 30 miles an hour. Lucy, you do not need to push your butt against me. I am not going to take the hay away from you. I'm the one who brought you the hay, you silly goat. Yeah. Hi, Bud. Bud says hi. He always says hi. He's a very friendly little man. I got a big kick out of when I was feeding bobbles, and they got to crawl under my arm. You get hugs while I'm trying to feed, and then they headbutt my arm or my shoulder or my back and try to make me move where they want me to move. So then I have to drop the bottle, or I move the bottle, and then they lose their latch, and whoever was eating has to stop. So it's always an adventure. And I suppose I should have some sort of a mount made for feeding babies, but I have not. So I just handhold them. And these girls, I think the 5 that I have in here, little bottle babies, they drank a little over 3 liters today between them. And that's not too bad, because they are starting to get into hay. And I noticed that a couple of them, Bud and Kelly, have been coming over and investigating water. They see the other goats drinking it, so they want to drink it too. Oh, but not Mr. Don. Mr. Don wants even more milk if he can. Poor Flirt. He keeps her busy. Hi, little girl. You're sprawling all over the big goat, aren't you? Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes. Pushes her head up. You leave my glove alone. You don't want love, and you just want to play with my gloves. Oh, to be a little goat like that. Getting in trouble all the time. What can I get into? Jitterbug, it's not all your hay. You can share. What are you two doing? Bud? Kelly? What are you two doing? Are you ready for bed? You should be getting ready for bed. And so should I. And I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening. And I hope everybody is good. I'll talk with you guys later. Thanks for watching.